This is your constant velocity test. You need to use this video to help you do the writing on here or circling that you may need to do. So on this problem, I ask you to circle which graphs here are correct on the next slide. So I'm going to go to the next slide. This is how you would do circling. Go up to Insert, go to Line, and then choose the drop down that says Scribble. Then you can just go ahead and circle one. Now, I would like you to make that line bolder, so go to Line Weight and click on like 4-point, and then I'd like to also make that line more colorful. You could make it red, make it something that I can see, and then you can see how you can do your circling. Okay? I'm going to undo this because I don't want to keep that. So I just delete. Now, there's another part here where you have a problem to do, and I ask you to draw a position time graph. Same thing on here. To draw the position time graph, all you need to do is go Insert, go to the line. An arrow would look nice if you want to do an arrow, and you can just go, where are you going to draw it from? You know, like this. I'd also like you to weight that and then color it. You need to color the two arrows differently, and then you need to tell me on this next slide here what arrow represents the gazelle and what arrow represents, I believe it's the lion. Okay, so that's how you would complete those. Hope this video helps you.